This is Larry Bonerato from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. Train your replacement and watch everyone rise. Developing others is the surest way to grow yourself and your organization. Rotary is a service organization designed to help others, build stronger communities, and train its members to develop their leadership skills. Built around massive action, each member is assigned to one of Rotary's service groups each year. Besides keeping members involved, they get exposed to how all of these groups work together. In Rotary, every leadership role is temporary by design. Each year, a new president-elect, secretary, treasurer, and committee chairpersons step forward. But here's the key. Before you finish your term, you train the next person to take your place. You don't cling to the position, you prepare the next leader. This system does two very powerful things. First, it keeps the organization fresh, dynamic, and moving forward. Second, it builds leaders faster than almost any other model. Every member is both learning from someone while teaching someone else. That same principle works in business and in life. When you train your replacement, you're not making yourself obsolete. You're proving you're ready for more responsibility. Here are 5 real-world benefits. First, you grow. Teaching forces you to master what you do. Second, your team strengthens. Others gain confidence and skill. Third, your organization thrives. No single person becomes a bottleneck. Fourth, it displays career paths. Team members can see their path to future success. And fifth, opportunities open. When someone can step into your role, you're free to move up or take on something greater. The best leaders are not those who hold power tightly, but those who prepare others to succeed them. Now for today's Morning Minute Challenge. This week, look around at your workplace or your team. Find one person you can begin to coach, mentor, or prepare to take your place someday. Then invest your time and energy in helping that person succeed. Train your replacement and watch everyone rise. And that is today's Morning Minute.